Today, we are sharing a triumphant story about the Lanoptik Wi-Fi interactive teaching system installed at the Faculty of Allied Health, Burapha University, Thailand. The digital classroom setup includes a teacher station with a Wi-Fi interactive workstation installed on the Nikon Ci-L Plus microscope and a Windows-based computer. There are 40 student stations, each configured with an all-in-one embedded camera and a Nikon ECLIPSE Ei microscope, which enhances the learning experience. The entire system is connected via a wireless network, which improves mobility, teaching interactivity, desktop cleanliness, and equipment management convenience. It's plug and play, no additional cables or dedicated construction is required. The embedded design of the camera makes installation very simple. The robust Wi-Fi system allows lecturers to broadcast live images and desktop documents to student stations and display them on HD screens using HDMI cables. Lecturers can also simultaneously receive microscope images from each student station, enabling one-on-one or one-to-many teaching interactions and boosting engagement. Students can intuitively observe image details through the 15.6-inch Full HD display and use a mobile mouse and keyboard to control the smart camera. Each student station is equipped to facilitate sharing live images via Wi-Fi between two tablet devices. Consequently, the system, with 40 stations, can accommodate up to 120 students in a classroom setting, demonstrating substantial scalability. This digital classroom supports the next generation of scientists with courses in cell biology, anatomy, histology, and more. Finally, we express our gratitude to the Nikon team at our Thai partner Hollywood International Ltd for their outstanding work in promoting, installing, and training the system. Thank you for watching.